Water. It makes up nearly 60% of the human body and impacts our cognitive function, physical performance, and even our appearance. Take a deep breath and embrace the clarity and quality of the water that fuels your adventures. Elevate the way you hydrate with the LARQ bottle PureVis 2. With two-stage water purification, PureVis acts as a first layer of defense to eradicate biocontaminants such as E. coli and Salmonella. It's time to rethink hydration. Then, filter as you sip to remove PFAS and chlorine to improve the quality and taste of your water, so that you can focus on experiencing more and filtering out the noise just a bit easier. Stay ahead of the game. While you're chasing your goals, your personal hydration coach records every drop, helping you stay on track toward your goals. And gently reminds you to take another sip. In a world where every second and every drop counts just the same, keep your pace with Apple Health integration. All of your hydration stats in one place, allowing you to get back to the run even faster. LARQ Bottle PureVis 2 effortlessly blends technology with your well-being with a self-cleaning mode that activates every 2 hours. Each sip will be as fresh and crisp as the last. LARQ Bottle PureVis 2, not just a water bottle, but your intelligent hydration companion.
Hi, I'm Justin, founder of LARQ. We were started with a simple idea that hydration could be made better for you and the planet. I can't. Look, I know we've all had enough of this change the world corporate speak. I hate it, you see through it, but give me 60 seconds and I'll try to give it to you straight. The truth is, despite our efforts over the years, LARQ has made a small dent on our mission to rid the world of single-use plastic. We still have waterways polluted by forever chemicals and aging infrastructure, and worse than ever addiction to single-use products. So today I don't want to appeal to our sense of greater good. I want to be straight. I think you should use a LARQ because it makes you feel better for 3 simple reasons. 1, the water you put in your body is really important. You got to filter it. It's easily one of the best investments you can make in yourself, even if you don't use a LARQ. 2, no one drinks enough water, and you should. Studies have shown that like sleep and exercise, it's good for you, and no one gets enough. LARQ will help you by giving you a gentle reminder, keep you on track, but you've got to be the one to make that decision. 3, we've tried really hard to make it convenient for you to not use single-use bottles. The bottle is self-cleaning. You could swig or sip through a straw. It has a nice detachable carry handle, and it even comes in a 1-liter size to carry more water. We're really proud of these design changes we've made, but we know there's still 1,000 other excuses to use single-use bottles. We can't solve it all, and we never will. So it's up to you. So please support this project, and I know you will improve your health and hydration experience in doing so. You may just play a part in helping to save the world.